Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 11th, 2018, and some of our potatoes are starting to come up from the video that I did earlier this year. And you can see one here, and let's see here, here's one just coming through the ground. We don't need the weed. I'll take that out. You can see one right here. And we have some more coming up behind me. Hold on a moment. And you can see this one here. It's just starting to come up. So, really happy that they're poking through the soil for us. We were really concerned because of all the rain that we were getting and stuff. And it's been kind of cooler and wet, so we were very concerned. But I'm happy to see that they're coming up and that they are up. And I know we have more rain coming in the forecast for us, so we do take some chances when we plant some of the stuff where we're at, because we kind of have to, because of the rain that we get and the coolness. For our area, we actually know someone who kept waiting and waiting, and it was, I think, July the 4th before they even got into their garden, and they didn't even get anything out of it. So we want to get a harvest, so we do try some of our stuff a little earlier than what some of the others do. So now, another thing that we will do with our potatoes is, as they start growing, as the stalk starts growing and coming up, we will start covering it with either grass clippings or the dirt. It's called hilling up. Now, you never want to cover the whole plant. You always want to let some of it out. And you really want to watch your potatoes and get your soil hilled up around them as soon as you can, because that'll help prevent your potatoes from getting sunburnt. And it will also, the plant will produce more potatoes on the stalk, depending on what variety of potatoes you have. So I just wanted to add that in there for you so you know. And you can actually see right here another potato coming up. And we did plant more potato starts today. We planted more of them. This variety that we planted was Reba. I really like that variety. It's really creamy, has a really good creamy texture to it. I really like it in mashed potatoes and different cooking things. So we're considering if we want to get any more of those or not, because we really like them. So, and we use the exact same method that we showed in the video. We cut the eyes off, left them dry. We actually had to hold these Rebas for a little while, so we put the eyes that were cut off after they were dried, we put them in a box in the refrigerator, and we just held them until we could get them planted. So that's always an option too. You don't want to hold them too long because they will go bad, but we did get them planted today. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.